Como facturamos hacemos blues. Ey. Chingo de Rolex y tengo un AP. Ya quiero un Patek, yo me los compré. Si de 0 a 100, de 100 al millón. Sé que hablan de mí y negra la tech. Yo me las llevé, Simón el trocón. Tanto me costó y que ahora me va bien. Fui yo quien cambié, Simón pues así es. De quedarme así, mejor hago cash. Mejor hago cash. Ey, dice, así nomás suena.
What is going on, YouTube? We're back at again with another video here for you guys. Today we're going to be going over my brother's Pro R build series that we're going to be going through. So basically what's going to be done is we're going to turbo his brand new Pro R that we just recently picked up. And we are basically just going to go over the build series on our turbo kit that we are going to be developing. So this is going to be our V1 of the turbo kit we're making, and any changes that need to be done or anything like that we would know in the future or whatever, because this is going to be like our base car. I mean, my brother's usually spot on with getting, you know, the turbo kits kind of done on the first try, but you never know. So we always like to test on our own personal vehicles, never someone else's. So I just want to go ahead and walk you guys through the process on, you know, going through the turbo series on this car. What's up, guys? So this is pretty much the midst of our kit. We have well, this one we got from K&T, which I believe is a ZRP head flange. We got a Stainless Bros billet collector, really nice piece. Big wastegate, and this is the big one right here. Turbo Smart. We partnered up with them. We're gonna develop the kit based off of this turbo. So we're trying to try to do non-water cooled, just oil cooled, and see how it hangs in the dunes. I think it should be fine and more than enough. We'll be running everything Turbo Smart, wastegate, blowout valve. They have like a little filter thing to use. And that has warranty on it. That gives you extra warranty on the turbos. These turbos have warranty, which is what made us go this route. Pretty much gonna start building the kit on my own car, and then we'll see what happens from there. We pretty much, Hanson Performance is going to tune the car, and hopefully that's who we're going to use for our production kits, and they'll be able to tune. So you can buy the kit with the tune, everything set, how you want to do it. So our base kit will be tuned, and then we can just send it to you, unlock DCU, just super simple. Should be pretty cool. And also, the reason why we partnered up with Turbo Smart, they actually reached out to us asking if we want to kind of use their products, and we said, we took this basically perfect opportunity. We just got a new car. We wanted to make a turbo kit for us. We were looking for turbos, and they kind of, they just kind of gave us like that golden light, like how, yeah, they're on board with the turbo kit and stuff like that. So we're going to be using theirs from now on for our Pro R turbo kit platform. So I'm kind of really excited to work with them. We'll see how it goes. Huge shout out to Armando and Chris out at Turbo Smart. They hooked us up on our, I guess you could say this, our prototype kit. So without them, I don't think we would have turboed the car, huh, George? Pretty much, yeah. They're willing to work with us. We're like, fuck it, we'll just do it now. We're gonna wait to do this because, you know, there's a lot of options out there, and they wanted to work with us, so we went down there, and they're local. That's the best thing. They're only like 20 minutes away. So if we need a turbo, go grab it. We need a blow valve, wastegate, they're just here, you know. Yep. Quick drive down there, in and out, we'll call, and we're done. Exactly. So probably in this video, we'll probably go ahead and go over making the top mount turbo manifold, maybe the intercooler, and then we'll cut it there. And then you'll see how Glam is ripping. So let's go ahead and get to the fabrication going.
Y no malo que es casi no me equivoco. Me pego un baño, me visto bien chido. Me encanta el dinero, mis carros, subo los corridos. Tito Torbellino, también las de Afreo. Quemando un gallo, ando a los tucanes en Pico Rivera. Me dicen Chinito y mi compa en el 6. Allá en Canadá me dice carnal. Ahora todo caro, ahora todo fino. Me la navego de bajo callado. También es sencillo. Lo que me pasa es un caso peculiar.
We are here out in Glamis, California. kind of an iconic landmark here. We are at Swing Set. No one is here. It's an off weekend, and I thought it would be a perfect time to show off the car. We've been testing the car. This is going to be our new turbo kit for all Polaris Pro R models from 22 to current. We're getting ready to fully release the turbo kit. That's what this video here is about. So basically, we're just going to go in depth on the turbo kit. My brother's going to go ahead and let you know the breakdown, you know, our kit, what's going to be different from others, and basically just putting our touch to the kit. I'm gonna have my brother go ahead and come in and talk about the turbo kit here.
What's up, guys? My name is John Cena. This is my 2025 what I do. How do I do it? Hey, what's up, guys? So pretty much our turbo kit, we partnered with Turbo Smart on the turbo. It's oil cooled, non-water cooled, so we're testing with that. Key features we're using on our turbo kit will be the billet stainless brothers collector. Keep your stock bed. We have a vent system for it. Stock clutches, stock secondary. Working with stock fuel system right now. We might switch that out to something different. I don't know, but we want a little bit more power, so we'll probably release that later. We're trying to push the stock fuel system, but everyone has their own opinions on that, I guess. But we're just trying to push with the stock fuel system. We're on a E85 right now. Stock fuel system made right around 330 at like 13 pounds. But pretty much we're ready to take orders now. We got jigs. We're tooled up to do them, you know, like hopefully we get them out pretty quick. So now's the time to order.
Oh, we should mention our first 5 kits are going to be free installation.
Yeah, our first 5 kits, if you buy them through us, we'll have free installation on the first 5. So that's like, bring us your car, we tear it down, put the turbo kit in it, tune it, everything. So that'll be free at cost. So the first 5, so whoever's lucky 5 get free installation. Pretty much we partnered with Turbo Smart on all the turbo components. We got their Turbo Smart oil cooled turbo. We're going away from the water cooled to see how that runs, but so far so good. A lot less stuff, you know, to be going on. And we have their 50 mil wastegate to get all that boost out. Best of the best there. We are doing a stainless brothers billet collector on our turbo manifolds, so nothing but like good stuff, quality stuff on this. This exhaust is just temporary one-off for my car, but we will have an exhaust system coming for that. Yeah, it keeps your stock bed. That's pretty much what I wanted to do, was keep the stock bed, you know, like everyone wants their bed, like I do too. So everything fits under here. No clearance issues, nothing. Super simple kit, but like high quality. Gonna be only selling this kit on E85 right now, just because we don't really want to be liable too much for people blowing up their cars. So I feel E85 is the safer way. I'm sure we can do 91, you know, but I don't know. I don't like 91. So
yeah, it's kind of, that's why we want to make our own kit.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to go with the 91 tune, you can go, like, obviously everyone sells it. So there's a lot of people, you know, you can go through. But we feel we're just gonna stay on the E85 for now. Stock fuel system right now, we were able to get like 330 out of it. We are working on some, like the next step, you know, we're still always R&Ding, so maybe we'll make our own billet hanger or something, or use someone else's, but that'll be the next step from here. Tuning will be provided with Hansen Performance, so he's working with us. Obviously, it's been really good, you know. So
basically the kits are gonna come clutched.
Yeah, they come with clutching. So the turbo kit, you're gonna get turbo, wastegate, all the hot parts, the intercooler, with fans. The fans are triggered off of the relays and off all of that stuff. So work factory, charge tube, everything you need. Clutching as well. So clutch kit, all the springs. You're gonna keep your stock secondary, your stock primary, and then we have the option to do the billet second sheave on the primary as well. You know, it depends on the price, but that's where we're at right now, and it's been pretty reliable. I mean, we have over 150 gallons of E through this car already, like in the last couple trips, so we're pretty confident in the kit itself.
And that's why we're out here right now testing out the car. So far it's been good. I guess the only other things I guess just for a customer to, you know, purchase a kit, first 5 kits, free installation.
Yep, if you purchase a kit through us, the first 5 kits purchased through us directly will be free installation.
And that would be tuned and everything. We'll take it to a dyno.
Everything, you're ready to go.
just we're still trying to get them out there. I mean, we're pretty confident in the kit, but we're just doing that free installation for encourage our, I guess, the first customers.
Yep.
So let's see how it goes. But other than that, should be good to go. As well, thank you guys for tuning in. DM us on Instagram or email us if you're really serious, or call the shop phone number. Sometimes our Instagram's a little flooded with DMs. We don't typically open it that much, but if you're really serious, email or call us. Everything's on the website. Everything's linked below. See you guys later. See you guys on the next video. Bye.